Hello, I'm Sergeant Reed, Patrol Supervisor at Harris County Precinct 6. Come with me on a ride along. Jimenez, got you. Yeah. All right, guys, we got, let's start roll call. Aguilar, you're gonna roll district-wide. Gomez, you'll be in 2, and Rodriguez, 3. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and do our cameras. Screen, black screen. Take your cartridges out of your taser, point them in a safe direction. Taser, taser, taser. Right now, we finished roll call. I've sent out the assignments to the chain of command staff, and all the sergeants. All the deputies are out in the street. I'm going to go through the computer, see if we have any major calls on board here, see where the deputies are. Then we're going to go out and patrol the area. In this area right here, we generally get calls from Valero for people drinking on the property. I know they sell beer here, but they don't have a license to consume alcohol on their property. So we're going to drive around to make sure no one's out drinking at this time. But now that we have the patrol request, we don't see anybody. So that's that lets me know that by our presence being in these areas more often because of the patrol requests, we are curtailing the people from loitering on the property. We're gonna go through Idlewood neighborhood now. We have 2 patrol requests in this area. We had a gentleman that called the other day, said a U-Haul truck was illegally dumping in the area. So I'm gonna ride back here just to make sure that everything is okay.
I just close the doors and so I can locate the juvenile.
Clear. Dispatch, show me a route. There's a missing child in HEB, so we need to get there. Since they have several exits to the store, we hope nothing has happened to the child, but we need to get there before.
Register 11. Yeah, he was located. He's right here with the mother.
I was talking to the HEB employee to call the manager so we can get loss prevention to check the cameras so it can kind of help us with the store. But they located the child up at the registers. We're going to go up to the registers now and see if we can find out what happened. That's the child?
No,
oh, what's up, man?
Where are we, sir? We're just worried, man. Like, we're looking for you. We just want to make sure you're okay.
Stay with your parents, okay?
Good. Stay with your parents, all right?
You got to let them know. You got to let them know when you're going somewhere, okay?
Stay with your mom, all right?
All right, man. All right, good job. He didn't think it was necessary to tell his parents that he was going to be on the next aisle. So, but glad he's okay. But good response from all the deputies. Some of us was close by. Other deputies, they respond. Whenever we have a missing child, we try to get as many deputies as we can to that area to try and saturate the area to figure out what's going on. But in this case, it turned out really well. So good response time as well. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's fast response time right there. We don't get no faster than that. Deputy Press is 86 George 22. He's our Gulfgate unit. He just happened to be inside of HEB during conducting a business check. Mother informed him that she wasn't able to locate her child. Deputies responded fast to this area, and the child was located safely.
Reporting. Use on duty.
86 Sam 14 traffic. Initiated a traffic stop on this vehicle here. The registration was out since 2024. Talked to the driver, got his driver's license. The minute I went back to put the notes in, he came up as a wanted person. Went back up to the car, opened the door. He was kind of argumentative at first. Told him to open the door. He's not under arrest yet. We're going to detain him. So rather than me take him out by myself, I waited for backup to come. Once I got backup, then I was able to take him into custody and detain him. So what I'm going to do right now, before we confirm on anything, is to verify his identity. Although I have his driver's license, I'm going to use the mobile AFIS with his fingerprints to verify what the computer's telling me. He's free. Yeah, he's not. He was a passenger, so it was.
Somebody had no license.
Oh, well, he's got a license right here, yeah.
But no insurance number there, yeah.
No, the driver, yeah. It's no the registration is outdated, expired. He's going to jail anyway, so. We're able to take the driver into custody on the open warrant for larceny without incident. We identified the passenger even though the passenger wasn't the driver, we have to identify who's inside the vehicle because the vehicle's going to be towed. The passenger came back clear, so we're allowed to let the passenger go on his own accord.
Edward 25 at Edward 10. He's servicing the area of the stadium. I'll go talk with the interrupt.
Now see that male, 2000 block of Walker Street. 2000 block of Walker Street. Go ahead, Sarge, block him off. Block him off.
Put on my notes that I also did towards my page.
Appears to be the same suspect from the earlier call we had where this suspect allegedly struck another male in the face earlier.
Relax, man.
Why you touching me?
We're trying to get you in the car.
I'm not going to the car.
Okay.
No, it's 75.
So where you go? Where you want to go?
To
Where you trying to go?
Yeah.
How you expect to get there?
I do.
How do you expect to get there? Thank you. He's trying to get a rise out of us.
Yeah.
He
threw a rock at you too, Sarge?
Yeah.
Like at you or at your vehicle?
At him.
No, he threw. When I tased him, he threw a rock, and luckily I ducked. I felt it go by my head. Yeah.
No, we got a assault at PO.
Yeah, that's what I say. Aggravated assault. Yeah. And then when he came over here, he said he's gonna murder me.
We gonna murder your anyway.
Right now, we finishing up on the scene. Deputy Espinosa, he contacted the district attorney. District attorney accepted charges of assault because from the earlier call that we had today where he punched a gentleman not too far from here. He also took assault on the peace officer where he threw a rock at me, a little bit bigger than a baseball. We do have it documented where the rock was coming towards me and I ducked. And while we're detaining the male, he also said after he was detained, he told me that he was going to murder me. So the district attorney took retaliation. He also took assault on the peace officer. This guy is really, we've had 3 calls involving the same individual. So this guy has been a nuisance and a menace to the area today. But luckily we got him. So good job. No one was hurt, which is a good thing. We do have some damage to the vehicle. This is from the rock, and here's another spot right here. We called EMS to come and check him out. He refused EMS. Right now he's got to be transported to Joint Processing Center and booked in on retaliation and assault on the peace officer twice. Right now I came back to 5900 so I can catch up on paperwork. I have an incident report I need to complete, an arrest report. My name is Sergeant Reed. Thank you for riding along with me, Precinct 6.